How to create a report for individual specs. Go into the report type you'd like to generate. And note that over here on the right, you're going to see a number of settings and filters. We also have a Spec Selection button here. This will allow you to go into your report and select very specific handful of specs you'd like to generate with your report. This way you can create a smaller report rather than having to generate everything. Once you've highlighted the items you'd like to report, make sure to check the settings and filters as well. Make your changes in here. For example, if you need to have your revisions highlighted in red, you can have this turned on. This top toggle will mean that any revisions that have happened since the beginning of the spec being created will turn on, or just the latest revisions will be in red. You can include your attached drawings and tear sheets and so on. You can also use the spec filters if you need to, but if you're doing spec selection, these are probably sufficient. Now click Apply, and you'll see that a report will generate for only those specs that we've highlighted over here in the spec selection window. On the left, you're going to see a list of all the specs that were generated. You can click through, you can zoom in, see which specs show up. From here, you can either download as a PDF, Excel, or other formats, or if you need to print directly from here, you can print it and you can even PDF it as a larger page format.